Hi and welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for clicking in this video. So today I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam too many login failures error. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So the first thing that you can do is to just simply restart your modem. So to do that, first just go to your modem and then just press the power button to turn it off and then wait for at least 30 seconds, and after that just press the power button again to turn the modem on. And once the modem boots, just try re-accessing your Steam and see if that fixes the problem. So this is a simple workaround, but it might help you fix the network error that indicated too many login failures. And the next what you can do is to clear your browsing cache. So you can here are the steps on how you can do that in your Google Chrome. So first, what you'll need to do is to press into your Google Chrome or just press into the Windows key and type the Chrome in your search bar and then just open the browser. So you can just go through here as you will see here in the photos. Then after that, just use the following keyboard shortcut to open, and then just clear the browsing data page, which is the Control plus Shift plus Delete key, and then after that, in the time range, this is supposed to be time range. I'm so sorry for that. So in the time range section, just choose all time, and after that, just check mark or checkmark cookies and the other side data and cache images. Just fill or check the box right here, so the cookies and other site data and then cache images and files. And after that, just go ahead and click on the clear data button. And that's how you can clear data in your Google Chrome. And then next, what you can do is to wait for an hour. So first, what you need to do is to turn off your Steam completely and just make sure that the client is closed and wait for at least an hour without trying to log in. And after an hour has passed, just try to log into Steam again. So several users reported that this method worked for them, so you might want to try it out, and keep in mind that some users stated that they had to wait up to 24 hours if there were too many login failures on Steam. So that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.